Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I think I'm on am I on the right channel? Right? I'm on the right channel. Yeah, we on the Make Money Online channel. But if you don't know by now, if you don't follow my videos all the time, I am a musician first, an artist, a rapper. I spit that fire, right? And in this video, we're talking about making money as a musician, as an artist. And one way that a lot of artists, are looking to start making money, to even make more money is, streaming service, because especially what's going on with the pandemic, and even before that, streaming services has been an income source for a lot of independent musicians, as well as, major, musicians, right? They're making a lot of money from streaming, right? But in this video, I'm going to talk about one of the main services that a lot of people talk about, and that is DistroKid. All right. If you don't know what DistroKid is, I'll put a link below. You can check it out for yourself. But basically, DistroKid, it allows you to get all of your music out there on all of the major streaming platforms, right? So it's the easiest way to get on Spotify, Deezer, iTunes, Pandora, TikTok. All you need to do is just be part of DistroKid. So a lot of people are talking about it. A lot of producers and musicians are talking about it. So here's the thing. Have I made any money, with DistroKid yet? You know what I'm saying? Like that's the question. That's the question, right? Have I made any money? So you can see I made over $51 from DistroKid as of today. But here's the thing. You might be thinking like, dude, what? That's it? What? And here's the thing though. I'm gonna be honest with you. We are in go time right now, far as what I'm doing with my music. Super excited about it. This right here, this little bit of money from DistroKid. Keep in mind, I have done and I said this before, I've done no real promotion, no real marketing. These are all songs, older songs that are getting streamed. And it's awesome to see, because you see here this song Hand on My Hip, right? You see that it made $4.50 something, right? This is like my most popular, most streamed song. Keep in mind, that's not bad considering Spotify only pay you like 0.004% per stream. So think about that, right? Hand on My Hip made $4.50, and I have not promoted that song at all, right? But I will put a link to it in the description of this video. So if you like rap, hip hop, something to get you hyped up, whatever, definitely check out Hand on My Hip on Spotify and follow me on there as well. But like I said, that money right there makes me money passively, right? And over time, it's just gonna keep adding on. So it's just super motivating to see like how people are listening to this music, my music, when I'm asleep, and it's only gonna grow because I'm about to put out a lot of content, right? So DistroKid, if people like you wondering, should you sign up? Is it legit? Is it a way to go? Absolutely. Like, I feel like if you are an artist on any level, especially independent artists, and you're trying to just get in the game, positioning yourself to make money, you definitely need to be with DistroKid, because like I said, it puts you in front of so many people, so many potential fans. That's like, to me, it's like a must-have. Plus, once you join DistroKid, they got a whole bunch of new features. When you log in, you go all the way to the right side and it says more, right? You click that and you see they added so many features to help artists out, to help artists get in front of more people. So that, right, and a lot of that, the more features they got are free. It's just some of them are a little paid, but it's cheap, but they're free, guys. So when it comes to DistroKid, when it comes to getting in front of more people and getting your music heard, you need to be, part of DistroKid. And if you don't, you need to get another service similar to it that can do what DistroKid does. And just in case you don't like DistroKid, maybe you don't like their name, I don't know, but you need to find somewhere, you know, that can do what DistroKid does, right? But anyway, yeah. If you want to follow my music channel, FUIME TV, I'll put that all in the description. Hand on my hip, DistroKid, FUIME TV, because over there, that's where it's a whole nother world over there. This ain't that make money online over there. I ain't gonna lie to you. All right, it's a whole nother ball game over there, right? But you can check that out. But yeah, that's my take on DistroKid. Definitely legit. Definitely a place that I feel like any artist that's trying to make some money, some passive income, definitely should be a part of. All right, so that's my take on that. You like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and subscribe to FUIME TV, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.